ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Delayed Sahaya, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. But first, let us catch up with the major headlines. National Eritrea Festival 2025 commences. Seminar on hepatitis B virus vaccination. Azerbaijan and Armenia signed U.S. brokered peace accord at the White House. And World Robot Conference opens in Beijing. Proceeding with our reports. The National Eritrea Festival 2025 was officially opened this morning by President Isaias Afwerki at the Expo grounds. The opening ceremony, which featured colorful traditional dance and songs from the country's various ethnic groups, was attended by ministers, senior government and PFDJ officials, members of the diplomatic corps, and numerous nationals from inside the country and abroad. President Isaias, accompanied by senior officials, toured the regional village that showcases traditional and living standards of each ethnic group, as well as innovations, creative works, and products of various enterprises. He was provided briefings by experts at the respective displays. The president also visited pavilions highlighting the status and expansion of social services, exhibition of agricultural products, national and cultural resources, the rich biodiversity of the Red Sea, as well as historical and ancient heritage sites. Photo and sculpture exhibition organized by the Ministry of Defense and individual artists displayed depicting the activities of the Corps and Livestock Corporation, a book fair, paintings, and other exhibitions are among the highlights of the annual National Festival. The festival will remain open until 17th August, featuring traditional music and dance, children's programs, locally produced films, bazaars, seminars, and other activities. The Ministry of Health branch in Northern Red Sea region organized a seminar on hepatitis B vaccination for health professionals from subzones of Galalo, Foro, She'eb, and Ginda. The seminar was held in Ginda on 4th and 5th August. Extensive briefings provided on commendable vaccination programs carried out for children under 5 years of age, aimed at controlling various diseases. Mr. Tedros Adhanom, head of the vaccination program at the Ministry of Health, also gave briefings on hepatitis B national vaccination program that is set to be implemented nationwide. Mr. Musa Nur Hussein, head of the Ministry of Health branch in the region, called on pregnant women infected with hepatitis to take prescribed medication and undergo regular follow-up, and urged parents to play an active role in safeguarding health of their children and communities. The participants, for their part, called on awareness-raising programs to be conducted through media outlets to reach the public living in remote areas. Cataract surgery has been performed on 260 citizens, including 11 children, at an ordered hospital. Dr. Eyob Beyene, an eye surgery specialist at Burhan Aini Hospital in Asmara, said that the program is part of the national-wide effort to prevent blindness and that it has so far yielded commendable results. Dr. Eyob noted that eye surgery were previously conducted in collaboration with foreign experts, but now are being carried out with full local capacity. He urged citizens with eye problems to avoid relying on traditional practices and instead seek treatment at health facilities. The beneficiaries expressed their gratitude for the medical service they received. Straight ahead is our international news after a short break. Welcome back. United States President Donald Trump has hosted his Azerbaijan counterpart Ilham Aliyev and Armenian Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan at the White House for the signing of the peace treaty between the two longtime rivals. The U.S. president said during the ceremony on Friday that he would believe the two men would have a great relationship and that the agreement would bring peace and new economic opportunities to the region. The agreement will create a transportation corridor between the two countries, which have been embroiled in territorial disputes since disintegration of the Soviet Union more than 3 decades ago. Those wars were largely fought over the disputed territory of Nagorno-Karabakh, which within Azerbaijan borders, but was previously populated by ethnic Armenians. The deal grants the U.S. exclusive developmental rights to transport corridor, which will be dubbed the Trump route for international peace and prosperity. Trump said that the U.S. also signing bilateral agreements with both countries to increase cooperation in areas like energy, trade, technology, including artificial intelligence. The deal will also lift previous restrictions on security coordination with Azerbaijan, which is facing scrutiny over the human rights record. While Trump also hailed the agreement, the diplomatic breakthrough, that opportunities, economic engagements, it is viewed with bitterness by many Armenians. On our last report, the World Robot Conference opening in Beijing on Friday with more than 100 cutting-edge robotic products making their debut, nearly twice as many as last year. Running on Friday to Tuesday on economic, Beijing Technology Development Area, also being Beijing E-Town, the 2025 edition of the conference is held under the theme Making Robots Smarter, Making Embodied Agents More Intelligent. More than 400 guests, including domestic and international scientists, top experts, representatives of the international organization, and entrepreneurs will attend the May Forum and over 20 thematic forums and discuss technology and industry strengths, technology application, and innovation in the field of robotics. Humanoid robots remain the major attraction of the conference, with 50 manufacturers' full-body humanoid robots showcasing their latest innovation. More than 31 side events will be held during the conference to strengthen international cooperation, expand real-world application, including standard testing, accelerating technological breakthrough, and remote industrial talent cultivation. In 2024, China accounted for 2/3 of the global robot patent application and produced 556,000 industrial robots, remaining the world top manufacturer. We've come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. National ERi-TV Festival 2025 commences. Seminar on hepatitis B virus vaccination. Azerbaijan and Armenia signing U.S. brokered peace accord at the White House. And World Robot Conference opens in Beijing. That wraps up our stories for tonight. Thanks for joining us.